Hello guys. So most of trade don't lose because the market is hard. They are lose because they clicking before thinking. They see a candle, feel the order, and enter the trends. No plan, no checklist, just emotion. Today I'm going to show you a simple method that separates amateur trades from professionals. The pre-entry checklist. Alright, so let's go. Because a good trade doesn't start with the click, guys. It starts before it. Let's be honest. Most losses don't come from bad strategies. They come from impulse, greed, revenge trade, fear of missing out, and over trading. I always repeat about that during the live session. The traders know what to do, but in the moment, emotion takes control. That's exactly where checklist comes in. Alright? So what is that? Checklist. Prior checklist is mental filter. Before entering any trades, you must answer a few simple questions. If even one answer is no, you do not enter that. No exceptions, no ZQs. So that is a good one. That is not. That's respecting. Change the time frame. Take a look on it. That's a good time. That is in the pure out of climax. Yeah, so just wait for that and wait for the next candle. This rule alone can save your account. Okay, so before every trade, guys, ask yourself, I'm trading at the right time. I'm trading in the direction of the higher time frame. Is the price at the value zone? That's a rejection. Change your time zone and just pay attention. Change your time frame. Sorry. What is my emotional state right now? Okay, is the market active? It's volatile present, or is the market slow or that? Is the market trading up, down, or ranging? I'm following the dominant direction, the uptrend and the downtrend. Trend against the main direction turns probably against you. Professionals flows with the markets. They don't fight it. Okay? The price must be at support or resistance, supply or demand, a clear reaction area. Handles answers, guys. Last trends or something like this is like random results. Its price is not a meaningful zone. You need to wait for the next. Okay, and ask yourself on the list: am I calm? Or I'm trying to recover loss? I'm thinking about the money. Oh my gosh, I need to do that. I need to double up my account and need to get more profits. I'm being greedy. Or I'm angry, anxious, or desperate. If emotion is drive the decision, the trade it's already bad. Remember that, please, guys. Okay? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Don't be emotion on during these operations. Alright. And the golden rules, guys. The golden rules. Here's the rules. If you one answer is no, you do not enter the trade. Not two, not three. One is enough. Discipline means protect your capital, not forcing opportunities. Okay? So that is the point. This method works for three main reasons. It's custom emotional impulse. It reduces unnecessary trades or operations. That would be the point of view. It's build real discipline. Alright. By forcing yourself to stop and thinking, you break the emotional cycle. No more revenge trades, panic entries, or overconfidence sufferings. Logic replaces impulse. Okay? Most losing trade, guys, should never have been taken low quality setups, born on trades, maybe trades, the checklist filters. Remember this. Few trades, higher quality. All right? Discipline is not talent, it's a system. When you follow the checklist every time, disciplines become automatic. And consistency start to appear in that's okay? Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And how can I use that day by day, guys? Here's a simple rule. Think about that. Pause before every entry. Run the checklist mentally. Try to know in a notepad. I don't know. Make checklist with your pen and paper. If everything aligns, you'll enter. If not, you wait for the next one or change the pair. Alright? Remember, missing a trade is not a loss. Oh my god, I lost that pair. I lost this moment. Oh my gosh. No, man. Please stop with that, guys. Enter a bad trade is this. Missing a trade is not a loss. The market is always given another opportunity, another day, in another period. Guys, oh my gosh. I just sent a lot of signals per day. So remember that. We have a lot of opportunities per day. Let me leave you with this. Alright? Just think about it. A good trade starts before the click. A good trade starts before the click. A good trade starts before the click. Not on the chart, not on the indicator, but in your decision process. Master the checklist and it will protect your accounts in your mindset. Okay? Guys, if you just like this content, if you just like this video, just give a like on this, subscribe to the channel, write your opinions in the comments. I want to see everyone in the next live session, and thanks so much for that. Wish good profit, wish good operations, have a good one, and see you in the next. Bye bye, see you.